Welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is from the Companies Act 2013. Today I'm going to explain the two important documents in Companies Act. So be ready to understand what are the documents. The Memorandum of Association and Article of Association, MOA and AOA. These are the two important documents which are required by every company in India. Every company needs to have this document prepared at the time of incorporation of company. You know what is incorporation? Starting of the company. Whenever you start the company, you need this document for registration of your company. If I start by the introduction, we already understand these two documents are very important for every company. Every company needs to have this, and the format, if I say the format, the topics which is used in these documents have to be same for every company. The detail will be different, but the title is going to be the same. This document defines responsibility, decision making of board of directors, what can they do, what can they cannot do, what can they do with resolutions, and etc. So to run the company, we need this document very badly. So must have this document. Let's start with the MOA. MOA stands for Memorandum of Association. This document is compulsory for every company, same format, contain the same information. But there are certain titles. The company name. For example, the first title will be the company name. In that, we have to provide what is the company name. The second will be the date of incorporation. In the title, every company needs to give their details at what date, on which date the company is incorporated. So this is the basic details you need to give in that format. The title and the date of incorporation. After that comes the third title. Third title is the types of company. You need to provide what is a type of your company. Whether is your company is a private or a public with limited shares, with limited liability. There are so many types of company. If you don't know, you can check out my video for the types of company. The fourth one will be the act under which your company is registered. So if you think that there's only one act, no, you are wrong. There are so many acts available under which your company can be registered. So you need to specify under which act you are incorporating your company. That will be our fourth title of MOA. Now comes the fifth title. Fifth title will be for the name and subscribers of the company's MOA. The person's name will be there, signature of the subscriber. You have two minimum people for registering company. So you need to have a list of the name of the people who are subscribing your company and becoming a member of your company. The last topic is about the liability of shareholders. You know the liability of a shareholders is up to unpaid amount of the shares held by that person. So you need to specify what is a type of liability for your shareholders. It is limited by shares, it is limited by guarantee, or it is an unlimited liability. You have to note one thing here. Any person who is in a signature, whose signature is in the MOA, will become a member of a company. By the titles, we can conclude that this document provide basic information about company. The company name, the types of company under which the company is registered, and etc. etc. So, any person wants to have this detail can go to the registrar office of the company and demand this document. The company will provide you. Generally, there's a rule that company need to have memorandum of association at the registrar office of the company. So you can go to the registrar office and you can inspect these documents and get the need of your information. You can get all the information which you need. So that was our memorandum of association. Now we are going to the articles of association, AOA. These documents must prepared by all the company. There is a model for the article of association. Generally company use that specified, but if company wants to change, company can change it. There is no compulsory requirement to adopt that model. Basically, the article of association will give you the rules and regulations for the company to run their daily activities. If you are curious how to run your company, you will get your answers from article of association because it practically tells you how to run a company. The model articles which provide by the act, it includes the basic rules and regulation of directors. What are the duties of directors? What are the responsibility of directors? How can director take decision in a company for any matter when they require a resolution of members, etc. This provides all rules and regulations for directors and other key managers. The article also provides for the appointment of directors, other key managerial personnel, or the removal for the same. Further, articles model include how many shares you can issue, the shares descriptions or the divisions, or how much dividend the company can pay to their shareholders, and also include the bonus shares. The model articles also have certain rules and regulations about shareholders, the voting rights of shareholders, and the general meetings. You know, the meetings which need to be held compulsory by the act. So there are certain rules that we need to follow as per the article of association. So that was some of the list from our model specimen of article of association. The company need to follow that rules and regulation of article compulsory. Company cannot go beyond that. Yes, company can change the article, but before that, company cannot go against any rules of articles of association. So that's why these two documents are very important, because MOA gives you a basic information about company and AOA gives you the rules and regulations and tell you how to run your company. That's why it's very important documents and company need to have it at the time of incorporation of company. So that's it. We are done for the day. We understand these two documents. If you have any doubts for any other topics, you can inform me by commenting on the lectures. I will provide you, if I can, on that topic lecture. Well, before I go, I have only one request. Share this video to all your CS friends for company law lectures. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.